Good evening, everyone. My name is Dilip Advani. Welcome to the Netscout Tabletop at the CWNP event. What I have here is the latest version, the Generation 2 version of the Aircheck. Again, it's a great troubleshooting tool for the first responder to any of the complaints that you get on your Wi-Fi network. So some of the common complaints that people get are you can't connect to the network, or the network connection is slow, or you get disconnected. This is the best tool out there in the market to help you troubleshoot that. So I'll give you a quick run through the application. You do get information for all the networks that have been detected in the environment. This is live, so you'll see a list of all the networks. You get details about the security settings, you get details about the signal strength as well as the signal to noise ratio of the best access point within that network. You have information on the different channels that are seen in the environment for both 2.4 as well as 5 gigahertz. You do get details about the number of access points.
A lot of access points.
Number of access points on 1.6.11. You can even see access points in 3 and 5, so somebody is not following the best practices for Wi-Fi. But this will give you a good idea about if your channels are overloaded. Will tell you if there's excessive utilization both on the Wi-Fi side as well as the non-Wi-Fi side in your environment. You also get a list of the access points that have been seen in the network. You can actually connect to an access, or you can get more details about the access point. Plus, you can actually run an auto test. So, in the auto test, you go through a series of tests where we are validating if the utilization is up to your threshold requirements. We look at non-Wi-Fi utilization, and then we go through this connectivity test where we are validating the connectivity of the network in place. So here you will see you are getting the IP address, you're able to reach the gateway, you are able to get to the DHCP server and the DNS server. Right now we have connected to a different network which does not have internet connection, that's why you'll see a failure. So
this unit's connecting to an access point nearby?
It is connecting to an access point nearby and is running this test.
Fantastic.
And the other great thing about the Aircheck G2, other than the fact that now it has a large touch screen, again it's still lightweight, is this Ethernet port that we've added. So this is something that is used to validate the cable that could go into an access point. So again, it's loved by the system integrators and the installers. So before they plug in the cable into the access point, they connect it to the Aircheck G2, and they would run an Ethernet test where they'll get details about the link, the DHCP, as well as the PoE stuff.
Fantastic. Right.
The other great thing about the Aircheck G2 that we can show you right now is it also connects to our collaborative cloud service, which is called LinkLive, and that's great for team collaborative work. It's for generating reports and stuff like that as well.
Cool, fantastic. And I noticed there's some USB ports on the side there. Are you able to tell me anything about those? Or?
Yeah, again, the USB ports are more for if you want to upload the firmware, latest firmware, and also it gives us the opportunity in the future to maybe introduce some new technologies in it as well. So again, yeah, so that's what the USB ports are for.
Fantastic. And there, I noticed it's almost like there's a module where you can clip something on the back.
Yeah, that's the external antenna.
Right. Okay.
That's the so this is what we have. We have the directional external antenna.
Yes.
So again, if you want to locate unauthorized access points, or if you're looking for any policy violating client devices, you connect the directional antenna to the Aircheck, and then basically I can show you how it works. So you go to the access points, and you would hit the locate button, and then basically it's like a Geiger counter. It starts beeping as you get closer to it. Again, because of the background noise. Let's see if you can hear it now.
Might be picking it up. Not
yeah,
sure.
might be. Not sure, but yeah, that's the purpose of the locate functionality and the directional antenna.
Fantastic. All right. Well, thank you very much.
Cool.
Appreciate
Thank
the
you.
demo.
Thank you, everybody. Have a great conference.
Thank you.